Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you how to get a refund for one of your accidental in-app purchases on the Play Store. So for this you will need to open a web browser and head to this play.google.com website. Now sign in with the same Google account that you used to make the purchase. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and then go to payments and subscriptions. Here you should see several tabs. Go to this budget and order history tab. Now here you should see all your app purchases as well as in-app purchases. Simply find the purchase for which you want to get a refund. Now tap on this report a problem option here. Now use this drop down menu and select purchased by accident. Now scroll all the way down and hit submit. Once you do this, your request will be taken up for processing. Once the refund is processed, you should receive an email from the Google Play. It can take anywhere from 24 hours to 48 hours depending on your location. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.